How to control high blood pressure. Hypertension, which means high blood pressure, is a serious problem that affects 1/3 of adults in the United States. It can often have no symptoms but still needs immediate attention, especially if you are overweight, sedentary, eating improperly and/or it just runs in your family. Try the tips below and see which ones work for you and your lifestyle. Having a heart-healthy diet. Start the DASH diet. That stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension diet, which is exactly what you should be looking for. It means piling on the whole foods, grains, fruits and veggies, low-fat dairy and skipping the sugar, saturated fat and cholesterol. This diet has been shown to significantly reduce high blood pressure. Basically, you'll be cutting out red meat, junk food, and white carbs including white sugar, flour, noodles and potatoes. You don't have to go cold turkey, but the foods mentioned above should make up the vast majority of your diet. Reduce your sodium intake. Limit your sodium to about 2,300 mg/mg per day. Don't add salt to your foods. If that's an issue for you, start cutting back gradually. Believe it or not, your palate will adjust. Salt is often a hidden food, so you may not realize that you are eating it until you start looking for it. Try cooking with a sea salt. Remember, a little goes a long way. Up your potassium, magnesium, and calcium levels. These three nutrients have been linked to low levels of blood pressure in multiple studies. Potassium, the most potent of the three, is found in fruits, like bananas, veggies, dairy, and fish. Calcium is found in dairy products, go for the low-fat kind, and magnesium is found in whole grains, green leafy vegetables, nuts, and dry peas and beans. It's best to talk to a dietitian or your healthcare provider before trying to add nutrients to your diet. If you have a healthy diet, you don't need to take a supplement. Having extra isn't beneficial to your system. Work in the wonder foods. There are a few foods on this planet that are recognized for their beneficial properties. For high blood pressure, those are garlic, dark chocolate, and fish oil. Not all at once, of course. Fatty fish, like mackerel and salmon, contain healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Just grill up some salmon a few times a week with a bit of olive oil to keep it healthy. 4. Garlic can be used for everything from lowering blood pressure to eliminating earaches. It's been linked to combating cancer and cholesterol, too. Just make sure what you're adding it to isn't pizza, creamy sauces, or fatty oils. 3. Dark chocolate that's at least 70% cocoa can lower blood pressure, according to a recent study. Have just half an ounce daily to reap the benefits. 5. Yum. Sip on hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea can lower high blood pressure by as much as 7 points. This is because of the phytochemicals present in hibiscus. If you enjoy herbal teas, you can find many blends that contain hibiscus. For the best results, choose a blend that lists hibiscus as one of the top ingredients. Since caffeine can constrict your blood vessels and worsen high blood pressure, it's a good idea to avoid herbal teas that contain caffeine.